Hello to all students. Today we are going to discuss again class 12th biology chapter 37 mutation, and today's topic is cloning. Once again, today we are going to discuss again class 12th biology chapter 37 mutation, and today's topic is cloning. First of all, origin of cloning or clone word. Next, introduction of cloning. First of all, cloning or origin of clone word. Students, clone is a Greek word or Latin word which means twig. Twig, it is a part of plant. It is also known branch. So clone originate Latin word clone. It means twig. It means branch of. It means branch. Once again, clone originate from Latin word or Greek word clone. Clone, it means twig. Next is means of twig is as all the twigs, it means branches of a tree are morphologically, it means outer form, morphologically similar, morphologically and genetically similar. Next, clones clone. Next, clone. Definition of clones is clones are such living organisms. It means plant and animals. Once again, clones are such living organisms that are developed from either father or mother. It means clone organism produce only single parent by asexual method. It means asexual reproduction. Students, remember, first of all, asexual, it is a type of reproduction. In this reproduction, only single parent participate. No crossing over, no gamete formation, no formation of chiasmata. Once again, clones are such living organisms that are developed from either father or mother. It means single parent by asexual method. Asexual, it is a types of reproduction. In this reproduction participate only single parent, and in this division no forms gamete, no forms gamete fusion, now forms chiasmata, now forms crossing over. Next is cloning. Next is cloning. It is a technique by which from one cell to from one cell to many cells and one gene to many genes or several genes can be made. Once again, it is a technique by which forms one cell to many cell, but producing cells are similar to parent cell as a morphologically and genetically, and one gene to many gene producing genes are similar to parent gene as a morphologically and genetically. Next, in plant, once again, in plants a tissue culture method. Students, in animals, if forms many cell from one cell by cloning method, but in plants forms many cell from one cell by tissue culture method. It means animals, in animals cloning method, but in plants tissue culture method. We studied a complete chapter in detail tissue culture. Next, once again, in plant a tissue culture method. This technique is used. So first is origin of clone term, second is means of twig, next means of definition, means of clone, next means or definition of cloning, next a specific method in plants is tissue culture method. Next is types of cloning or kinds of cloning. Mostly two types of cloning. First is gene cloning, second is animal cloning. Once again, first is gene cloning, second is animal cloning. Students, cloning. First, cloning, it is a technique. Cloning, it is a technique. In this technique, one gene to many genes can be made, but it is technique. In this technique, to forms whole organism, whole animals. So it is called animal cloning. Once again, cloning, it means it is a technique by which forms cell to many cells and gene to many gene are made, but in this technique only made one gene to many gene. But in this technique to forms whole animals, whole organism, whole animal. First is gene cloning. First students, gene, it is a specific segment of DNA. Once again, gene, it is a specific segment or fragment of DNA to control a specific character in progeny or offspring. Next is gene term, first time given by Johnson in 1909. So a definition of or simple means of gene cloning is making or producing or developing replics of a gene or chromosome. Students, chromosome, it means color body of cell. Chromosome to forms from DNA by during cell division, but gene are located, gene to forms DNA, it means gene, it is a specific segment or fragment. Gene are located on chromosome, a specific site, locus. So locus, it is a specific site. In this site, gene are located on chromosome. Or its part is called gene cloning. Next students, in gene cloning use PCR technique. In gene cloning use PCR technique, it means polymerase chain reaction. Once again, in gene cloning use PCR technique, it means polymerase chain reaction. Students, proper line, full form of PCR. It is a most important technique in present time, in modern time. Next, we studied some specific point or topic in this chapter. For this chapter, like DNA fingerprinting, Human Genome Project, and PCR. But students, these topic we studied deeply in another chapter. So gene cloning is, in gene cloning use PCR technique. It is also known thermocycler because PCR technique completed in highly temperature. Highly temperature, it means thermos. When a single gene to forms two gene, again two gene participate. So 2 forms 4, 8, 16. This process is called cycle, and this technique completed high temperature. So it is also known thermocycler. Thermocycler. Next is animal cloning. It is a technique. Once again, it is a technique by which from one gene to many gene and one cell to many cells are made, but in this cloning to forms whole organism, complete organism. Once again, it is a technique by which to forms whole organism, whole animal. So in this type of cloning, complete or whole organism is cloned. Next, this type of cloning has three methods. First is blastomere separation. Once again, animal cloning and types of animal cloning. First is blastomere separation. Once again, methods of animal cloning. Methods of animal cloning, mostly three methods. First is blastomere separation. Second is nuclear transfer technique. And third is Honolulu technique. Once again, first is blastomere, second is nuclear transfer, third is Honolulu technique. But we study detail nuclear transfer technique. So first is blastomere separation. Students, I draw a linear figure, male and female. In male, man reproductive organ testis. In female, ovary. Next is a specific age. In puberty, spermatogenesis complete in testis, oogenesis complete in ovary part to form sperm, ovum. This is male genital structure, this is female genital structure, this is male gamete, this is female gamete. Next, fuse. This process is non-fertilization, fusion or syngamy, and forms a specific cell, zygote. Next, zygote to show meiosis or cleavage and forms two cells. Again cells. This cells is called blastomere. Once again, 2, 4, 8, 16 blastomere. Once again, students, this is blastomere, blastomere 2, 4, 8, 16. Next, morula, blastula, gastrula. So, if separated of blastomere and keep in favorable condition, so forms complete embryo. So, when separate blastomere and keep in favorable condition, it means in culture media. Students, culture media is a nutrient solution. Once again, when separate blastomere and keep in favorable condition, it means keep in culture media. Culture media is a nutrient solution. Then forms or developed complete embryo because complete embryo and these the developed adults are genetically similar material than the embryo formed are clones each other. This type cloning is called twinning. And this method is called embryo cloning. Once again, when separated blastomere, students, formation of blastomere during cleavage, and cleavage initiate after fertilization, and initiation of cleavage in zygote, and forms 2, 4, 8 and 16 blastomeres. Separated any blastomere, keep in favorable condition, it means nutrient solution, it means in culture media, and develop complete embryo, whole embryo, because complete embryo and these developed adults are morphologically and genetically are similar, and this type of cloning is called twinning, and this method is called embryo cloning. So thanks, have a nice day.